next thing I wanted to show you guys was, well, and I wanted to build it. I was going to build it right now. However, so it's this chair. It's white. It is absolutely beautiful. It is absolutely the most comfortable thing ever. However, when I was going to build this chair, it is more involved than I wanted it to be. So that is why I'm sitting in my old chair. It is a bright green color because I used to have a bright green desk. So don't mind it, okay? Let's just keep going. I got these pot, it's called Heat. So it's a pot holder. Take the pot off the stove or oven or whatever, and you put it on top of these like cork. It's kind of like a coaster. I absolutely adore the aesthetic of these mugs, so I needed to have them. I got a set of 4 of them and I absolutely love them. The next mugs that I got, I actually did not get them at Ikea. I was looking for a similar mug to this one that I found at, guess where? I'm gonna show you the mug and I'm gonna talk about the mug and then I'll tell you where. So I wanted this mug. Look at how it's bigger. It's definitely bigger than this mug. I think this is like 14 ounces and this one is like 18 ounces. So I wanted this rounder mug and I couldn't find it anywhere. Even in Ikea, like they had one, but it was too small. Like I wanted something big because I like to eat my cereal out of it. So I found them at Dollar Tree. You will not, but I went there to get like these crafting supplies for another DIY that I'm doing for my plant area, and I saw these mugs and I lost it. Okay, if I would have known, I would have gone to Dollar Tree from the get and just gotten my 4 mugs there. However, when I went, they only had 2. So now I have to go back and find 2 more because I can't have an uneven set. So that's that. That is what I found in Dollar Tree. I didn't quite go into Dollar Tree a lot. And oh my god, I also got glass lids. I did not remember that. So I got glass lids as well as the wooden lids. I don't think they had enough wooden lids, and that's why I got the glass lids. I don't know. The next thing I got are bowls. I love to eat like my pasta and things like that in bowls, so I got these plate bowls, and then these are serving bowls to basically serve like rice or chicken or whatever you make. I got 2 of those. I got 4 of the serving bowls. See a pattern, right? Buying sets of 4 for mine. I also got a knife sharpener thing from Ikea. It looks kind of broken now. If I open it. Oh no, it is supposed to be at an angle. Is it supposed to be at an angle? I guess it is supposed to be at an angle. Oh, I figured it out. Oh, this is pretty cool. Okay, so I got a knife sharpener for a set of knives that I bought on Amazon, my other favorite place. I got these glass soap dispensers. I got 2 of those. I hate the metallic ones, so this one is glass and plastic. I don't like that after a while the tip of the metallic ones, the rusted one, whatever, iron, I don't know, whatever they are, they rust. That is absolutely gross, because when you go to get your soap the next time around, you get the rust. So that's not hygienic, that's not clean. So I decided to get these glass ones with the plastic tips, so that way I don't have that rust problem. I don't think there's any metal in this, so we hope not to have a rust problem. I don't cook much. Hold on, the camera is having it's throwing a tantrum. Oh, there it is. So I don't cook much, but when I cook, I don't like to not have enough space. So I got this container. Is a glass. Again, I'm going with the glass theme. Really love that aesthetic. And I got this one. This one is the holy grail of baking containers. Okay, I'm going to most likely bake a cake in this one, and on the other one most likely bake a lasagna. Stay tuned for that. Wherever I was staying before, I absolutely loved grilling in this thing. Like, it was amazing to make like grilled chicken or anything like that. Like, this thing is amazing, so I had to get it. I also got it at Ikea. I got everything at Ikea. The next thing I got is for the inside of my cupboards and drawers and cabinets, just to clean everything up and make it, you know, organized and neat. It comes in like a really big roll. All you have to do is just cut it and insert it. Measure your space, cut it to the size, and insert it. I got a towel. They were on sale, so I decided to get a towel. I should have gotten more towels, but I didn't really need it. I just got it basically because it was on sale. I did need this, an extension cord, because since I built this furniture, this massive workstation, I covered the outlet. It's covered behind this thing, so I had to get a extension cord so that way I can get access to that outlet, or even access to the other outlet, which is behind. I covered all of my outlets. The other outlet is behind my bed frame, so I needed to get an extension cord of some sort. The next thing I have, this is a tea. This is a, let me just paint the picture for you. Okay, you put your tea baggie here, or your tea, you know, if you have it like in bulk. Some people buy it in bulks. If you buy it in bulks, you take a scoop, you pour it inside this little thing, pour your hot water, you pour this inside, and there you go, my darlings. However, this can also be used as a baking, like a powder. The possibilities are endless with this thing, so I can't wait to use it. I'm probably going to do more of this than more of this, because I don't buy my tea in bulk. And lastly in this bag, oh no, not lastly, it is a wooden tray. So I got this wooden tray because the theme and the pattern that I'm going for in my room is going to incorporate a lot of this color and this material. This tray is a bit smaller. I thought it was going to be the same. Oh, it might be the same size. If it's the same size, it's going to work out absolutely marvelous, because I'm going to use this tray as opposed to this tray, and then I'm going to find use for this one somewhere else, because we're going for this, right? So that's that. That's not the last thing in this bag. I also found this in the As Is section. It was originally $5.99. I got it 50% off, so I got it $3.50. I don't have a purpose for it, so I actually am going to DIY this into something else. So stay tuned. You're gonna love it, I hope. But yeah, I only got it because it was on sale, number one, and number two, because I'm gonna DIY it anyway, so I don't really need it. This is the only color they had. I'm gonna put all this stuff back in the bag, and then we're gonna move on to my other stuff. How is everybody doing? Leave a comment down below if you made it this far, and let me know what's up. How you feeling? How you doing? Don't skip the As Is section. Just don't do it. And I'm gonna explain why later on when everything is out of this whatever, okay? don't do it. Don't skip the as is section at Ikea. So I also got this basket. It is so cute. I'm going to actually use it to fold up I want to fold up my blankets and roll them up and put them in here. So that's the purpose of this basket. It is also going to be for my room. I got these table settings. I'm going for, again, nude, natural, warm tones, and whites. So I got these table settings. I think I only got 2. Did I only get 2? I don't think I got 2. I think I got 4. I don't know. The next thing I got is a birthday gift for the twins. I also got it at Ikea. It's so cute. It's a train track. You see it? Is it upside down? Yeah, it's upside down. There you go. Can you see it? Is the camera focusing? There you go. It's a train track for the twins. I'm going to wrap it as soon as I'm done with this video because I am going to their birthday party right after this video as well. I got this also for them. It's the same style, so they can kind of build it all together and just have a train party. Who doesn't want a train party? Come on, guys. The next thing I got is handles. Leather handles. Leather door handles. And that's for a DIY as part of this, because these hinges aren't there for decoration. This bad boy actually does close. Okay, so I got these hinges for that. I got markers because the colors were just so cute, and I don't need more markers. I really do have a problem with hoarding pens and pencils and just hoarding markers and coloring, and I just hoard all that stuff. So I didn't need it, but I like the colors. I'm pretty sure I have those colors somewhere else too. If not the same exact ones, and I just haven't seen them in forever because I have so much. I also got these dry erase markers because I'm thinking about putting a dry erase board incorporated into this. Oh, I already have a dry erase board. I knew it. I knew I got it for a purpose. So there you go. And it comes with an eraser, and it's from Ikea, and it's beautiful. I also got gift wrapping paper. And it's, you guessed it, a warm nude tone. Now this is why I say do not skip the as is section at Ikea. Don't do it to yourself. You know why? Because you're gonna spend more money on the same thing for no reason. So as I'm shopping through Ikea, you know, minding my own business, lollygagging, picking out my things, looking at everything, picking up things I don't need and buying them, I decided, you know what, let me go to the as is section to see if I find a cushion, which is the round cushion that I got. I wanted a bigger cushion, but I was like, whatever, this will do. I'm DIYing it anyway, so it doesn't matter, right? So I'm lollygagging and I found this bad boy, which I already had in my cart because I was going to buy it. It comes in a set. It's 2. One of them is I'm going to use for my bathroom, and the other one is going to go in my kitchen because the current garbage can that I have in my kitchen is absolutely tiny, so I need a bigger garbage can. They were, well, this one, the smaller version, is $9.99. I got it for 50% off, so I only paid is it 50% off? Yeah, so I only paid $4.90 for it. $4.90 when I was gonna pay $10. Okay, don't skip the as is section. I don't know why it was there. I don't care. There's nothing wrong with them. I checked them. They don't have holes. They're not damaged. They're gonna serve its purpose. It's for garbage anyways. and the bigger one was does it have a tag? I'm pretty sure it was like 15. Wait, it's over here. No, it was 13 and I paid $6.40. I got both of them in the assets section. Like, I absolutely didn't even know that I was going to find them there. And I was just like, oh, let me shoot my shot and see if I find the garbage cans. No, I didn't. I just ran into them. I almost forgot. I got a shoe rack to put my shoe in it without dirtying my room. So it's gonna go over there. That's also, I'm using that, I don't know if you can see it over there, as a shoe rack. But on the bottom, it has like a little shelf. And this is gonna go on there for like if I come in with what shoes or whatever. That's going to move, that most likely is going to move to this wall because the mirror that's here, it's tilted. I don't know if you guys can notice on the previous clip, but the mirror is not even. The floor is probably not even on that side, so that's probably why it's tilted. And the other two things, I was going to buy these at full price. This picture, first of all, I don't want the actual picture. All I wanted was the frame, which I'm going to DIY anyways, because I like to have original stuff, right? So I was gonna buy it. I was like, oh, $10. I mean, it's good quality. I'm sitting there justifying to myself why I was gonna spend $10 on this tiny one. Wait till I show you the other one, okay? So I was like, yeah, $10 is good. I'll do it, no problem. So I had two of them in my cart, the same size, this same size. It's like a smaller version. So then I go to the as is section and I found this exact one for 50% off, and it's $5. Okay, I was gonna spend 10. I only spent 5 for something that I was going to completely DIY anyways. The only reason why it's there is because the plastic in the front has like a little bit of a scratch. So I guess, yeah, whatever. Thank you, that's good for me. I'm removing the glass anyways. This is the other one I got. This one was $12.99. This one is massive. There's no picture in this one. I don't want the picture anyways, and I don't need the glass. The glass is scratched up, it's a little broken. I don't care for it. I'm going to take it off anyways, and it's perfect. This one is 16 1/4 by 20, and the smaller one was 12 1/4 by 16 1/4. So I absolutely won at the as is section. I would have spent 50% more on the stuff that I got from there than I did because I went there. So don't skip the as is section, okay? So that concludes the current video. That concludes today's video. Leave a comment down below if you like these kind of videos. Don't forget to leave a like. Don't forget to share. Sharing is what will get you more videos. The next vlog that we're doing, you don't want to miss. It is another shopping haul, and it is stuff that you absolutely must have. You absolutely must have these things at home. They just simplify your life so much. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to speak to you guys next time.